All right, the Downings have a square roof deck with an area of 300 square feet. Which of the following is the best estimate for the side length of their roof? Okay, I'm going to draw myself a square. To find area of a square, I know I'm multiplying my side times my side. So I'm asking what number times itself is going to be about 300. This isn't a perfect square, so if I take the square root of 300, that's what I'm doing here. I'm approximating. I know the square root of 300 is going to be between two perfect squares. So I can think about it that way, or I can just start to think, okay, 15 times 15 is 225. 30 times 30 is 900. That is way too big. 17 by 17. Let's see if that one's going to be anywhere close. And then D, we actually can already eliminate because I know that a square is going to have the same side lengths. So that's not going to work. When I get down to it, I'm going to realize that 17 times 17 is going to be the closest. At 289 is going to be the closest to 300.